Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakirdob Ïing Jompi
SVJ Foundation, in association with St. Joseph's Educational Services, are conducting career seminar cum educational fair on the 4th of June 2022. Register on 9436 119 or walk in directly to the venue for further information. President Jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Uba Vincent H. Pala ulakam ba ka Kynnoh Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ka babat ya ulakam sensyar hagani ka jilla Meghalaya kalongkum ka Ïing ka balakat Arliang Uba Pala ulatho ya kini ka jingkren ka jong u ya ka jingken tho hapadeng ki seng san perthai ki be trailang hapo ka Kynnoh Jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance shwa ba ka election kan sa long house nem arajar arpulai hagajing ya kren wat ka Batisi TV Uba Pala ulaong ba amtang ka BJP kadai ka bakren persya ya ka sorkar henry wat ka UDP bat ka NPP ru kiju ya wanya markel yang manlakasni.
MDA is a dividing house. Congress has nothing to do with the BJP at any level. But the MDA himself, like I said, the limit has crossed. So within the MLA, it's not only the BJP. You see, the UDP is criticizing the NPP. And NPP is criticizing the UDP, and that's also not at the low level but at the highest level. So these criticize each other because some of them they have that conscience that they have looted the public more than required, and the public are suffering. So definitely it's not a BJP alone or NPP alone or UDP, but it's totally a divided house. If you see Barrett from Kram, from Maukar, he also criticizing them. If you see Bahek is also criticizing them. If you see Kynnoh also is criticizing them. But at the same time, Medba is defending them. But at the same time, Sanbor is defending them. But at the same time, different ministers are defending the government within the party also. Like Kynnoh will criticize the government, Medba will try to protect the government. And Bahek will criticize the government, Sanbol will try to protect the government. So that shows that the MDA is a dividing house more than required. That's why I told you that when they cross the limit, there are people who cannot stay, who cannot see. That is beyond. I think they have looted enough and beyond the requirement which they have done it.